Man, I got space to do yoga up in here. Namaste in this bad boy for a minute. Welcome to the Heartland Eddie Bauer 33 FK. You're looking at 37 feet, roughly 7,900 pounds dry. This couple's coach features an awesome front kitchen, spacious living area big enough to do some yoga in, and a primary suite in the rear that's going to knock your socks off along with that Eddie Bauer decor. Absolutely love front kitchen RVs because of the countertop space that you get, the storage, the giant windows, and of course, the refrigerator and cooking mechanisms. So up front, you're going to find pressed surface countertop, and since it is Eddie Bauer, bringing that iconic American decor to a modern RV. Look at that beautiful green, gray, and white combination that we have here. Lip shelf that will be great for a spice rack. Large privacy window in the front, which we'll actually see a little bit more of that on the outside. But check out the undermounted stainless steel sink with the high-rise decorative sprayer faucet. This thing is heavy duty. But what trips me out the most about front kitchens? Space. Look at all the countertop space that we have here. Coffee station, storage, thanks to my frosted glass inlays and these beautiful shakers cabinets. The light, the dark, and the gold all just seem to work. Add that to the fact that you have solid wood drawers on full extension drawer guides, plenty of storage for whatever you want to bring with you to make those camp cooked meals. And since you're in an RV, if you're like, hey, I want to go get some Kansas City ribs, I want to go get a Cuban down in Little Havana, I want to go get a Boston meatball sandwich, whatever you want to do, get it, go to it and get it, then figure out how to make it yourself. What an adventure that would be for an active couple or even a small family, because you can sleep up to 4 inside this beauty. Now, your prep space over here, got the steel grate on your recessed cooktop. Thanks to the glass cover, you even get an extra backsplash as well as additional prep space.
I think that
20-inch oven, flush-mounted microwave, more storage on the campsite, and how about a 16 cubic foot Everchill fridge freezer combo that has a double door freezer on it. 12 volts, you can also run it while going down the road. Plus, it's acrylic faced and smart control. Modern, classic. Now let's enjoy where we're going to eat and conjugate. Am I doing this right, Ryan? No? What am I? Is this not the warrior pose or whatever? I'm teen wolfing. Thanks, dude. Appreciate that. On the off-camp side is where you're going to find your super slide. We're going to talk about that later. Got the jackknife sofa over here as well as my booth dinette. Got storage up top, wood balances with pleated shades. Once again, the white shaker-style cabinets with the gold pulls. I got a fold down in the middle for my cups. Space underneath my jackknife, as well as a plush and comfortable one-sleeper bed. People argue this point. Can you get 2 adults on a jackknife sofa? So I'm 6'2", 225 pounds. Could somebody else get in here with me? Yes, they'd have to be pretty tiny, and we both have to be curled up. But you could do it. Regardless, these cushions are plush and comfortable, and they're right across from my entertainment center, which has a fireplace, JBL surround sound, as well as a TV on the swivel arm, extra storage. And because we are in the front kitchen and we know you're going to be doing a lot of cooking, you got to have a pantry. So grab everything, sit down, relax, or come right here to your booth dinette with storage underneath both sides. Decorative sliding storage. What do I mean by that? The seats look decorative and you slide your stuff underneath it. LED sconce light here, more of my wood balances. Plush and I can't tell you how comfortable these cushions are. I don't want to get up. But this does reduce down into a sleeper. But once again, can you fit 2 people on it? I'm saying no, which is why I'm saying 1 person here, 1 person there, 2 people in the primary. Before we get to the primary, let me show you these recliners. So right across from your main entry point is going to be 2 comfortable Eddie Bauer recliners. Now, this is plush. They're soft. I'm seated right under my 15K BTU AC. I got my 5,000 BTU fireplace and a 35,000 BTU furnace. I open up this window. I cut the fireplace on. I got the TV going. This might be where I sleep. So my question to you is It's decorative. It flows really well. I got storage up top for the games, whatever. Is this a sleeping space as well? Because remember, we're recreating. We're in an RV. No? Okay, I'm being told no. I would sleep there. Let's go check out the bathroom. To me, this space just flows extremely well, especially when you're talking about a coach that's only 37 feet long, 7,900 pounds. The oversized toilet right here, which is porcelain with the foot flush, very spacious. I'm not cramped left or right. And the fact that I have access to under vanity storage as well as linen storage for additional toilet paper, towels, toiletries, whatever I need. I like the flow. I love the look and the aesthetic. And with neo-angled showers, don't be fooled by the space. Yes, they do take up less space than a regular shower, but look at the area that you have. And the fact that you have contact glass for privacy and a giant skylight, this really helps out. My matte black features here. Let me show you that. As well as on my controls, and I got space for my soaps. Undermounted sink, large medicine cabinet with a big lip. This is just an awesome space. Just my opinion. Now for your primary, wait till you see what I got waiting for you there. Now, a solid pocket door separates the primary bedroom from the rest of the coach. To me, this is awesome because you got private entry, large bed in the slide, as well as wardrobe closet and washer dryer prep. Now, having the ability to come and go into the bedroom to me is awesome, especially when you're talking about a couples coach like the 33FK is, but can sleep more people. So if you're an emerging family or you got the grandparents and the grandkids are coming to visit, they can go do their thing. You can get up and go walk the beach at night, not wake them up if the kids are asleep. Absolutely love this feature because it just gives you more functionality. And if you're at the campsite or a secure area, open the door and let that night breeze come in. That's a good night's sleep. Underneath the bed, we're not forgetting about Fido either, because not only do you have storage under this beauty, you have a kennel with doggy bowls. That's pretty awesome. Safe space for the pet to travel or sleep in, as well as a very easily accessible area to feed and give them water. Now, your mirrored wardrobe closet right here in the rear gives you great space, but if you need more, Heartland thought about that. You have an extra closet here, which serves as washer dryer area, plus access from the outside. So if you're bringing in the big cases of water or the heavy stuff, you don't have to come up the stairs. You could literally just lug it and load it right there. Just, it's not very deep because it's a closet. But all in all, from the TV backer, my little extra storage space right here, little mini armoire or shelf, a great place to put my keys, whatever, the little window. This is a namaste all weekend in my RV type of coach. Let's go check out the outside. I don't know yoga. On the outside of your gorgeous Heartland Eddie Bauer 33FK, you're going to find outside kitchen, double storage space, and enclosed underbelly underneath. Now up front, powered tongue jack, twin 20-pound LP tanks, plus you got the solar quick connect. What does that do? If you get those briefcase solar panels, you can help charge your battery. I highly suggest getting that anyway because it just helps the longevity and life of your batteries. Diamond plated rock guard on the bottom is going to help so that road debris doesn't mess up our Superflex roof we got going over the top. And this gorgeous aluminum sided RV, a couple of years ago is when they started doing this style. It just looks cool. But more than that, this aluminum is some of the thickest you're going to find in the industry, and they coated it with tough coat paint. So it's going to help the longevity. It's also going to help these gorgeous Eddie Bauer graphics not fade on you. You got some storage right here, which is also your access for some of your HVAC and some of your plumbing. Just be careful shoving stuff in there. But the doors are magnetic and anti-slam. Got the back of your Suburban 30K BTU furnace right here. Not that I know firsthand. I do. Don't put a camp chair right there. Learn the hard way. Plus I burned the back of my neck. Now, stabilizer jacks, both in the front and the rear, they're powered. The PSXs, they're great. Enclosed underbelly, and usually outside kitchens are reserved for bunkhouses. So seeing this in this couples coach with space for a family is pretty awesome. Add that to the fact that I got the mini fridge as well as the Lodge cast iron top. That's a nice upgrade because now I've opened up breakfast and lunch for when I'm cooking outside. Solid step-over steps leading me into the main entry point. Got the aluminum rims on the Goodyear Endurance tires. Those are E-rated tires, much better. Plus they're nitro-filled. The only thing I would suggest is get TPMS to help with safety. Trust me on that. Steel fold-up steps leading me into the primary bedroom. Plus I got those sealed safety windows all the way around. The 20-foot awning with the LED light strip. Some storage in the back, which is that washer dryer prep area that I talked about on the inside. Look at the space that you have here. Great for loading that heavy stuff. The cases of water, you don't want to take up top. And the 4x4 sewer hose storage, spare tire mounted on the back. We're also backup camera prepped. Then on the off-camp side, you got even more storage. And right there is your tire pressure monitoring prep. Please get it. Trust me on that. Terminations are down there. We'll talk about the tanks in just a second. More storage. City water connection, black tank flush, spray port, as well as your cable and your 50 amp connector. And one of the most important parts of any RV is going to be this info panel. This is where you come to see, okay, how much does this coach weigh? So we're sitting at roughly 7,900 pounds dry. Gross, you're looking at 11K. But take a look, if you can see it, at this privacy window. This is pretty cool. That's your kitchen. So being able to pull up to the beach, the mountains, the lake, whatever, and cook or hang out or just sit there with your partner and sipping your coffee while the sun's coming up or while the sun's going down. That's an adventure. Talking about what you're going to make in that massive, spacious kitchen. To me, that's an awesome journey. And you got enough space, go ahead and build up the hunger by doing some yoga in that kitchen. That place is huge. 37 feet, roughly 7,900 pounds. And for your tanks, you got a 44-gallon fresh, 30-gallon black, 60-gallon gray on this bad boy. So those are some good tank sizes for when you want to do a lot of cooking, wash all those vegetables, whatever you want to do. I mean, the layout to me, yes. Front kitchens are historically couples coaches. But leave me a comment down below and let me know, is this a family coach to you? Because I can see it going both ways. You got the dinette, got the jackknife sofa. That's 2 more people right there. You got Uncle Tyrone sitting in the recliners. That's 3 more people. He's going to pass out in the recliner. He's fine right there. That's where he sleeps at home. What about Grandpa? How many times has Grandpa kicked out on the recliner and zonked out? I mean, seriously, come on, Ryan. Agree with me on that one. Thumbs up, thumbs up. 33FK, Eddie Bauer by Heartland. This could be your sweet spot. Just let me know if you like it, where you're going to take it. I love hearing from you. And while you're at it, please click like, subscribe, and notify. So the next time we do one of these, you're the first one to get it. But if you're saying, hey, Chris, what about something a little bit smaller? Or you got something that maybe has a different configuration for a front kitchen? Yes, I have a couple of videos I'll link down to you. And by clicking notify, you never know. When you get home from work, the RV of your dreams might be waiting for you in your email inbox. I'm Chris Young for Camping World. Thank you for joining us. I'll see you soon.